Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to again watch new baby girl embroidery hooks. So let's get started. Today we will see that how to create the upper part of this embroidery hook. So first what I did, I just taken a light shade of the pink color as mentioned and earlier also. So after taking the lighter shades, what I did, I just did the normal stitching on the outline of all the articles that I have created. So first I'm doing it for the top, and then I'll do it for the top and the skirt and so on. So why I have taken this idea, because this is a new baby girl embroidery hook. So I just thought to make it a little different and create it with the hanging some tops, skirts, toys. That's really relate to the purpose of this embroidery hook. So I started with doing it to the top outline, and then similarly I do the normal stitching to all the articles that I've created here. So as you can see now, so this is how I did doing the normal stitch. And then you can, in the top part where you can see there is an two line embroidery like a border. So for that, now for the top part I did the satin stitch. I did it with the normal stitch because I wanted to give it a volume. So same processes I have done for the giving the outline to the another toy, and then giving the outline to the skirt in the similar way, like that, as that the outline was created. As you can see in zoom way, you can see here. So just same way I finished first the outlining, and after doing the outlining, then I did the paint. So for paint I choose two color. First was the I mixed pink, made the lighter shade of the pink, lightest shade. So what I did a high amount of white color, and then little one drop of the pink color. After that I did the painting for the top, and same for the skirt, same color, like a common same color I did. So that's also very trending now, so I thought to just put this color. And then after doing that, the same pattern, top and t-shirts is right now really very trending. The toy also I put it. Then I have taken the darker side of pink color and then put it some flower over here, as girls always like flower, so I just put that. So as you can see here, the same pattern that I painted it, and then same pattern I have created for the like skirts, but different little small flowers, big flowers, depending on the design, that how it's looking. And then for toy I have just used the darker side of the toys to just finish it up. So this is what I have created on the toy side. So as you can see, this is all done from my end, and this is the final touch I was giving while giving this the hanging thread, giving the outline by the black color. So now we'll start with the giving the outline to the upper part, like a rope. So I just used black color for that, and then I'm just doing the back stitching over here and then finishing it lightly. So that's it for today. So let's meet in the next video. So thank you for watching my video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share with your friends. Till then, bye bye, take care.